Do you need to get your information out of Power BI and into a slide deck? Well, it can be difficult without having to copy and paste endlessly. With Slideform, though, let me show you how you can easily automatically import charts, graphs, tables, KPIs, metrics, and text into Google Slides or PowerPoint with just one click. Let's walk through an example. Here's a sample Power BI dashboard that I have set up. It shows a variety of different charts, tables, and KPIs that I want to report to my clients each month. Now let's jump over to Slideform. Slideform is a third-party application that allows you to automate many different types of reports, including presentations, Google Slide decks, Google Docs, and lots of other examples. Now, the first thing that you need to do when you want to set up your Power BI automation is to connect a data source. Slideform supports many different data sources. Power BI is just one. You can see under the Power BI card, we can click Add Integration and hook up my Power BI dashboard. Then what we do is create a new project using a Google Slide template. So let's take a look at the template that I've created. My monthly market share report looks like this. The first page is just a cover page, and then I have some information on the second slide. Now on this slide, I have many different placeholders enclosed in curly braces, and some of them are going to hold charts and data tables, and some of them are going to hold numbers that are going to be filled in as text on the slides. Now let's take a look at how these are going to match up with the dashboard. So for example, the total category volume here from the dashboard is going to be filled into the volume placeholder. The chart at the top here for the year-over-year change is going to be filled in this area where it says year-over-year change. And the data, total units by month, is a data table that's actually going to be made up of the data behind this table or this chart down at the bottom of the page. With Slideform, you don't have to just insert the chart, but you can actually access the data behind any of these charts or KPIs. So now that I've created a presentation template, it's going to hold all of this data when it's pulled in. We go into Slideform and we can create a project to match those up. So here's the project that I've created with that template. If we click into Configure Data, you can see how these are matched up. Now, for example, for the KPI for volume, I select my data source. This is the dashboard from Power BI, and then I simply select the worksheet and table that it comes from. And then I choose the column I'm interested in, the total category volume, and those are going to be matched up. So now whenever I run this to generate the slide deck, the volume placeholder will be filled in with the correct information from the dashboard. Similarly, if I wanted to have a chart, for example, the year-over-year change chart, I just select the data source, worksheet, and chart, and select an anchor position. And then we'll be able to see that chart appear on the slides when I generate it. So let's go back to projects. Then when you want to generate this, all you have to do is click Generate, and we will have a preview appear on the page, or you can download the file as PowerPoint or PDF, or save it in Google Slides. Now I've already generated this output, so let's take a look at it. All of your outputs will be available right here, and we click Link to Doc, and we can see the output has been filled in with the KPI for total volume, the market share, the chart, and the table. And you'll notice that these KPIs are editable text. The table is a native table for Google Slides that's editable, and the chart is a picture of the chart. So now we have all the information that we need to report on our market share for the past month. Now, I'm excited to share with you all of the features that Slideform can do, so please do get in touch with us at slideform.co. Thank you.